What's going on, YouTube? Today was an amazing day today. I took one trade, it was green, so I walked away for the rest of the day. The price action today was as clean as you can get. It was a super simple trade. This is the easiest strategy to trade whenever you're trading a super trendy market like it was today. Today, I had a couple of great wins. I didn't take another trade after I was green. I followed all of my rules, and I'm really excited to show progress that I have made from the beginning half of the month to the last half of the month. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. We see that we are in a pretty good downtrend pretty much all morning. Started watching the market at 9 a.m. We see this big leg down and then a small pullback. So with my strategy, I wait for a flat bottom candlestick to form and I put my entry at the bottom of the candle. But with how clean and flowy price action was going. But after this candlestick formed and broke this market structure right here, this flat bottom candlestick started to form and I put my entry below this wick right here. It got me in, and I went to about a 1.5 risk to reward ratio before I went ahead and got out of the trade. I didn't wait for the full 1 to 2, but I'm totally happy with the trade. I was able to walk away for the day and look at it. I mean, it just kept falling and falling and falling all the way down. And I'm super happy to move on to next month, and I'm excited to jump into it. So the first 2 weeks of the month, I didn't really have a strategy. I wasn't trading for any rhyme or reason. And I was just strictly going off straight intuition, and obviously didn't work out. I mean, we were profitable, but after fees and commissions, we were read about $3,000, 44 grand in profitable trades and 350 in total losses. That's super frustrating, and I realized I needed to make a change, so I started posting these videos on YouTube as like my trading journal so I can hold myself accountable. I know that if I put things out there for everyone to see, that it's really going to help me with my discipline, and it has. So if we skip to the 20th to the 31st, you can see how differently I started trading. There was a strategy that I was doing before that worked out really well for me, and then I went on a little bit of a losing streak with it and I quit doing it. But I didn't have my own set of rules that I was using to follow. And now that I do have those set of rules, man, it's been a real game changer for me. It's accumulation of how long I've been watching the market, how much time I've dedicated to trying to learn how to trade every single day, how we started finding these results. So overall, the last half of the month, we had a total of 39 trades. Probably a lot less than that, but the way I had my bracket orders set up before, I've tweaked it since then, but I had 4 different orders for each position. So these numbers will go down next month. Total fees and commissions, $550, which is a huge difference between the 200 and something trades I was taking towards the beginning part of the month. We're green 61% of the trades, and 38.46 was losing. And if you look at all the P&L history, we're mostly green across the board. All the metrics look amazing. This week started off a little bit sketchy for me. Tuesday and Wednesday, back-to-back red days, took 2 losses in a row, 4 big losses in a row, and I was feeling really down about it. But yesterday I had a really good day, and today I had a really good day, which puts us back in the green at $712 on the week. Last week, totally different story. We were doing really well. Where we were at in the market, we had some decent price action going on, and I was able to walk away $3 grand in the green on last week. But yeah, again, to break down the strategy real quick, it's super easy. I love using these Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. Thank you, Hoover's Gems. This is where I got the idea, and it's really weird to go from regular candlesticks and to switch to Heikin-Ashi candlesticks because it looks so much different. But what I would really recommend is having a price line that goes across the screen, because where the candlesticks are at, you can't really see what price is doing. So this line will just float around to the candle depending on where price is trading at, which will definitely help make these Heikinashi candlesticks look a lot better. But essentially the strategy is identify a trend. So like up here, you identify a trend, you wait for a flat bottom candlestick to close, and then you place your order right below that wick. As far as risk management goes, all you do, the candle that you enter on, which is generally the next candle, you put your stop loss right above the body of that flat bottom candlestick. Is you put your stop loss here and you put your take profit down here. And essentially the idea is you walk away and you let the trade play out. I've been really bad at that. That's something I definitely need to improve on, is just put it there and walk away. What I had done in the past is once price comes to a 1-to-1, putting your take profit at, or putting your stop loss at break even. I found myself getting stopped out a lot and then price going in the direction you want it to go. It's great to mitigate risk, but also I've learned that with this strategy, you need to be able to let the trade play out. And if it loses, it loses. If it wins, it wins. And this is a goal that I'm going to really be working on next month, is to just let the trades play out. Because if I were to go back on the week, look at all the trades cumulatively, I would probably find that when I did take profit early versus waiting for it to play out and not moving my stop loss to break even, I would be in a much better position. So that's the thing about finding a strategy that works for you. Find something that really resonates with you, that really makes sense with you, and then do little tweaks here and there in order to really dial in the strategy. That really is the big key with trading. It's showing up every day, not strategy hopping all the time. This is what's going to lead to you being a profitable trader. Thank you so much for watching this monthly recap. I'm really looking forward to trading next week. And if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next month. Bye.